Hey there, sound enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. If you love music, technology, or just the magic of sound, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of generative audio synthesis. It's a topic that's reshaping how we create and experience sound. But before we jump in, here's a question for you. Have you ever wondered how some music seems to create itself, evolving with each note and rhythm? What if I told you that this is possible through a process called generative audio synthesis? Let's explore what that means. Generative audio synthesis is a method of creating sound through algorithms and computer programs rather than traditional recording techniques. This innovative approach can produce unique audio experiences that are often unpredictable and evolving. Imagine a composer who never repeats themselves, constantly generating new melodies and harmonies. That's the essence of generative audio synthesis. At its core, it utilizes mathematical algorithms to create sound. These algorithms can be simple, like basic waveforms, or incredibly complex, using intricate models to replicate natural sounds. One common approach is using waveform synthesis, where sounds are generated by manipulating waves. Think of classic synthesizers that use sine, square, and sawtooth waves to create different tones. But generative audio synthesis goes beyond just waveforms. It can also involve granular synthesis, which breaks sounds into tiny fragments or grains and rearranges them in unique ways. This technique allows for stunning soundscapes that can evoke emotions and transport listeners to different worlds. For example, if you take a recording of ocean waves and break it down, you can rearrange those grains to create an entirely new auditory experience. Another exciting aspect of generative audio synthesis is its ability to adapt in real time. Imagine a piece of music that changes based on your mood or the environment around you. Some generative systems use inputs from sensors, like heart rate monitors or environmental data, to modify the sound on the fly. This concept is often used in interactive installations or video games, where the music responds dynamically to player actions. One popular example of generative audio synthesis can be found in the world of video games. Games like No Man's Sky use algorithms to dynamically generate soundtracks that fit the game's ever-changing landscapes. This means that every player's experience is unique, with a soundtrack that evolves as they explore new worlds. In the realm of music production, artists like Brian Eno pioneered the use of generative systems in his ambient music compositions. Eno's work often involves creating sound environments that change and develop over time, creating a sense of immersion for the listener. His album Music for Airports is a classic example of generative music's tranquil and evolving nature. Moreover, generative audio synthesis isn't just limited to music. It has applications in sound design for films and virtual reality experiences. Imagine a horror movie where the soundtrack shifts based on the tension in the scene, or a VR experience where the sounds change based on your movements. This technology can enhance storytelling in ways we never thought possible. Now, you might be wondering, how can you get started with generative audio synthesis? Fortunately, there are plenty of software tools available for beginners. Programs like Ableton Live with Max for Live, Super Collider, and Pure Data provide platforms for creating your generative audio projects. These tools help you explore the fascinating intersection of music, technology, and creativity. And if you're looking for inspiration, you can find a plethora of online communities and forums where artists share their generative works and collaborate on projects. Platforms like SoundCloud and Bandcamp showcase a variety of generative audio pieces, allowing you to discover new sounds and connect with fellow sound creators. So, to wrap it all up, generative audio synthesis is a revolutionary approach to sound creation that combines technology, creativity, and unpredictability. Whether it's in music, film, or interactive experiences, the possibilities are endless. If you're intrigued by the idea of sound that evolves and adapts, I encourage you to explore this field further. Don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting, and subscribe to our channel for more content on the fascinating world of sound and technology. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever experimented with generative audio synthesis? What tools do you use? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring the soundscapes around you. Bye for now.